to Malusia 2 Girls. Ow.
George and Sam. That's George and Sam. What is it, Sam?
He's heavy.
He wants to bite. Don't back up, he'll bite your hair.
Aww.
It's okay, girls.
Oh, that scared me. Oh, look how cute you are. No, you're
They're
cute.
adorable. I love animals. I love
Aw.
animals.
I used to have a lot of cows, but I've gotten old, so
You get some both so
I've got some
cute.
goats to mess with, and so
Their horns are growing. You can
yeah.
feel it.
Look here, see right here. Let me show you something. All right,
They're growing.
he's about 10 days old. This one. Look here. Come here, girls.
That one? Well, honey.
Come on, show her something. Where's she
Yeah.
at? Here, show you. Come here. You see them little knots, see them horns coming out? See them
Yeah.
coming through?
Yeah.
Yeah. And they'll
They're
have
10 days old.
Usually, see, his is just now started, and they'll pop out in about 2 weeks. They'll be about any time.
This one's popping out.
Now, did you ever have any of them escape?
It don't matter. They get out. They're gonna come back. Their mothers. Yeah. One time, before I put the lake fence up, they'd be all out in that pasture, but they'll come back in. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But so you like them goats?
We love animals.
I like that one.
Which one?
Oh, she keeps running away from me.
I wish we had a farm.
I like that. Sorry, baby.
You're all right. Yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
Is that not there?
Where's that little one?
It's right here. It's honey. It's red.
But you see how much these are only 10 days old. Look how much they've grown. They were little tiny things 10 days ago. Yeah, they get too big to hold now.
This one's so funny. Super big. Where are you? Did it bite?
No, they got little teeth here. See, you can see, they got little teeth right here in front. See that there? That's them little teeth. Yeah. Get it right, George.
Did you see them?
Huh?
Let me see, Boogie. Girls will. Goodness sakes, the girls love it. They love it.
One day, years ago, I was sitting out there in the shade, and I saw a car stop down at the driveway, and this girl got out, and I thought she was changing drivers or something. Well, she got this little girl outside of her, maybe not quite that big. She come walking up when I was there, and she says, "Sir," said, we come by here all the time, and this, I think she said niece. Yeah, niece. She said, and we see them horses. I had some miniature horses I did birthday parties with. And she said, she wants to rub one of them horses. I said, she wants to rub a horse? She said, watches.
How you like it?
I got a new one.
You got one?
Yeah.
That's George.
Is that yours?
That's all George.
Yeah.
Oh, now, I
Look
know
at that. He doesn't want nothing to do with you.
He don't like the upside down.
You don't like upside down,
Yeah, if
baby.
you hold him upside down, they'll try to get out.
There we go. Look, so cute. He looks relaxed.
I know what I was going to tell you a while ago. You got milk goats. That right there has that brown, that's Togglebird. That was the first milk goat come to the country, the United States. Yeah, Togglebird was.
Yeah.
That's part Togglebird, that right there.
God.
Yeah, that's her. She had one baby, that one right there. And then George had a twin. What happened, the mother took him out of the barn. It was too cold one morning, freezing, and it froze. Yeah, I had one, I lost one.
Oh, I'm sorry.
The twin of that one.
But you can milk these, right?
No.
Oh, you can? I thought
Well,
you could.
no. Newman and Togglebird are the milk goats.
So what about this one?
But you can milk it if you want to. Like if I have one that deserves his baby, I'll milk it and feed the baby. So I pick them out and feed it. But no, these aren't milk goats. These are what we call solid goats.
Oh, okay.
Anything has that long ears. That long ear?
Yeah.
Those long ears. Short ears are Nigerian. These are not. I've got some cross. Like this right here, this light brown one.
Yeah.
That's got a lot of Nigerian in it. So the ears ain't hanging down. These are boars. These are all boars. All right, here's the one. See this one right here behind this goat? Her and This is right down. That's the twins. That's their mama right there. Last year, those were born. I don't breed them till about 20 months old.
Can we pick up that one over there? The one that's dragging its feet?
Yeah, you carry it up here. Carry it up to the barn. Real careful. Don't turn it upside down though. Pick it up.
This one is different. It was born like that with a effect. It has an effect.
That's one different one. They just keep running away.
Yeah.
It's like,
Come on, man.
he's so adorable.
Oh my God.
They do that. They jump. One's out in hell much. Let's get him.
He loves me.
Yeah, George, he's.
Oh, they're milking for mommy. They're milking. Wow, they really punched it out.
Yeah. And they, have you ever noticed they go? They will hit that real hard going. They'll slam it and also they'll take it.
You're in love with that one, huh?
He's cute.
Now this here's a very nice one. That one right.
I'm not trying to make it slow. Now this one loves me. I found my thing.
You like it? Let me see.
George.
Can I climb up here?
He wants down.
Oh, get her. Just, yeah, don't.
Hey, don't my hair.
Eating your grass, the hair, huh?
He's heavy. He's getting heavy.
Yeah. In a few weeks, he'll be real heavy. Yeah, he'll be real heavy for a while.
How many weeks do they do that? It's going to be like that. This whole line.
I don't think it'll get that. I hope it does. We'll see.
Baby. Yeah. Ah. It scared me.
He jumped on you?
Yeah. Is there any tree?
No.
This one is so precious.
So precious.
Yes.
You love that one, don't you? Don't take it up. Take it up here. Leave it up here because he can't keep up with the other ones.
So she needs grass.
He can't keep up with the other ones. Why
Yeah,
are you
lay her
keep
down
eating
right
my
here,
dress?
just on this grass, and she'll eat grass.
He keeps eating my dress.
There we go.
Hey. Hey,
Good goats. And I raised every goat here. All these goats, I raised them from babies. Yeah. Now, that's a boy right there. Now he's real friendly. Come here, firecracker. Never mind. All right.
How do you know which one's which?
Well, I kind of know which would be first. What?
Thank you. And there's a big dog. Is that the ghost? Is that the
These here
ghost?
won't come. She's caught in the fence. I've got to get her head out of the fence. Come on in here.
Come on this way. Come on. He's got a nice farm.
Mac. Mac.
Okay. I got high heels. I'm all dressed up. See? Wait.
We
Dog.
think a lot of these shop chicken coops for houses for people.
Oh, this is pretty.
All kind of furniture. Let me show you.
That's very pretty, sir.
Oh, look here, girls. Oh, a friend's house. He got him one of them bulldogs that's real ugly.
That's a bulldog, right? Come on. You're gonna see the cows. Oh, that'll be awesome. He's got, you know. We're gonna go see the cows now. We're at the country farm. A neighbor's house. That was a real cow.
grill hamburgers. It's a grill. See here?
I thought we was gonna see real cows. Okay.
And the smoke comes out his nose holes.
That's so funny. I thought we're gonna go see the real cows.
see a cow,
Here's the
didn't you?
cow.
You want to ride?
Yeah.
Jump up there and take a picture. Come on, come around, hippie.
I guess he does a really good job, doesn't he?
I think I can keep you out. Here, let me have to get your leg. Let me have your leg.
Let's see.
All right. Get a hold. Come up there. I'll help you. All right, let me-
Watch.
let me go.
This is so funny.
Just like you're riding a horse. What do you think about that?
It was heavy.
All right, you want to get on and get your picture? All right, come here.
Watch your head, honey. Watch your head.
Come around this side here, girl. I don't think you're too giddy, are you? There we go. You get it?
Yep. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Did you make that? Last thing you want animals?
Oh, look at it.
Got a bear.
Did you make that?
No, I didn't make that.
Oh, that's cute.
I made.
So what's that
I
supposed
made
to?
everything you see here. I built all this, and I made Mexico helped me put the papers down, but I did.
He
all
made
this.
all this furniture.
Yeah, sure. No, not the furniture. The buildings, the
wood.
fence and everything. Those Amish people in Ohio made the furniture for me.
Can I sit on that?
Yeah, the Amish made it for me.
You made
Now-
that one?
Huh?
You made that one?
No, I didn't make any of the furniture.
Okay.
Now, those right yonder, see those stools? Those are boots. I made those. They're boots. I made the boot benches. We use those.
They're so cute.
And then but all the buildings here, the house, I built the house. I didn't lay the brick, but I did most of the work. Myself. I planted every tree here you see, except for this one. I didn't plant this. It was here when 50 years ago. But this one, I planted this one. It was a little tree. Everything I planted. Every tree you see except that one right there. Coyotes, got a lot of coyotes. Bobcats, we got a lot of bobcats.
Is that what you mostly see here? Bobcats?
Well, a lot of bobcats and coyotes. I see a lot of coyotes. That's why I have to cut them goats over there now. Because there's a den right down here on the creek of my property with coyotes in. And I don't want them eating them, letting them eat them littles like crazy.
So you ever got with the coyote?
Huh?
With the coyote, have you ever gotten a goat missing and eaten?
No, because I leave them over on that side of the lights on. They won't mess. They don't mess with them. But if I put them over this side of this creek here, they would kill them. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So I don't. The coyotes, it's crazy around here. A lot of them.
So because they're wild and they're desperate for food.
And you know why they're here?
Huh?
You know why the coyotes are here? Allstate Insurance. Allstate Insurance had them brought in here because so many people hitting deer. They wanted the deer population to go down. And now we got coyotes like crazy, and they ain't helping the deer population. Last night, my son and I, we were coming home about a mile over this creek. We come down through there about 7:30, 8 o'clock last night, and 7 deer jumped up, and one hit right side of my truck and killed it. Oh yeah, you wouldn't believe the deer.
Oh my.
I go right here. Now I'm not much of a deer hunter, but I used to deer hunt a long time ago. I got a deer stand right behind these trees here, and I got an acre down here at the creek. I sow for deer feed. One day I was
Please subscribe to our channel.